So Wish is actually picking up momentum and going strong right now at the opening of the market. Are we gonna hold this momentum or are we gonna see another rejection? So without further ado, let's get right to it. As always, Trading Jesus promise you to always be right to the point, no BS, no editing, straight to information, straight to the chart. So let's get right to it. Look with me closely, guys, what's happened. Yeah, at the last video that we did, I told you it's a really good sign that we close at $10, even though we actually step away or a bit dipped around our support below the $10. But the sentiment of the market that hold at Friday above the 10, that's really good. Now we saw the buying pressure happening as we speak. The first hour is doing good, so be careful from this level, guys. We might see another turbulence before we go higher around that $11.90 below the $12. Here we're gonna see a rejection and retracement back again to lower prices. So be careful from this level because we're gonna see a bit of rejection, and this is normal after this big jump down. This is normal, guys, because a lot of people trapped around this area and this area, and they want to cut their losses. And add to that, the short seller actually shortened the stock around the $11 before the $12, $11.90. So be careful and take your profit on the way. And the clear indication for big squeeze if we actually close for our candle above this level, above the $11.90 or the 12, we're gonna see the price jump again to around the $15.28 very soon. But as soon as we can do that, we have to actually close above our support, so we can see what's happening. And for our chart is the momentum doing good. In this slow chart, we see the momentum was still not below the zero. That's why we see the momentum picking up today, and the volume today is around 85 million. The average volume is 85 million, guys. This is really crazy, and I think still we have a backup from our Wall Street bet. That's why we see this crazy move and big candle up at the beginning of the trading session. Are we gonna hold? Yes, if we hold again above the $10 would be perfect, guys, for this week. Any price hold above the $10, this is really crazy. It would be really good because last time we dipped below the $10 just for one candle and we closed above. We didn't close below the $10. Even this candle, look with me, guys, at the 11th of June when we visit the $9, we actually closed above the $10. This has happened at Friday, so technically we didn't actually close below the $10. So this is really good sign for strength and buying pressure from the market maker below the $9. That's why we didn't close at the $9, and we see perfectly here around the big day 1 day chart. Look with me, the exhibition average actually is acting as a support. That's why we bought really good at Friday here and we didn't close. This is really nice to see, and now we have to test now by today or tomorrow around the $11.90, and we have to hold above the $10 and never close any day below the $10 because this will be a big sign of weakness and visit the $8.76. So now we still as I said in previous video, is still in this box, and this box actually accumulation phase. Here the explosion, here explosion down. So be careful from this box, is still not clear yet. We still need a momentum to overcome the 1190. So guys, always be ready, have a strategy, act on it, so lose money. So never buy when the movement actually already did and jump up, but instead try to do this the next time. Always buy when we actually near the support and there is no big buying pressure, and we didn't see still explosion. This is really good to make sure that you lower your risk and maximize your profit. But the new trader, even for me, it happened to me at the beginning, I always look for stock that already did the explosion, and this will be really risky, guys. You might get lucky and you ride the ride at the rocket, but you know the rocket is really fast and explosive. It's like might explode on you, so this is really risky. So that don't get in until we have accumulation phase, then you buy, then you actually have at least risk management plan, and we can actually do a risk management plan in this kind of scenario. So without further ado, guys, I will update you daily about Wish. So without further ado, press the like button, and if you like to perfect your strategy and try to take your trading skills to the next level, check my Patreon in the comment section below. The hunter is growing every day. We have already 20 hunters, so join us. And without further ado, press the like button and see you in the next update.